Okay, hi girls. Hi, I'm Sheena. People call me Sheena from Gihan. Okay, today kakak nak tunjukkan you how to do makeup for tutorial makeup for work. Going to work. Alah, actually korang pun tahulah. Okay, I already put on moisturizer and I spray this thing is for to just balance my skin. Okay. Um, I'm going to do this naturally lah. Okay. I'm very sure everybody know how to make up, but some people, some girls out there, orang macam not sure what to do and what to have next, you know, and then how to blend it and all these things. So what I will do, okay, just tengok aje lah, mesti faham punya. Okay, I'm going to do my conceal. I use my concealer for my eyes. Okay, and then also some spots that I have, you know, you can just conceal it. And when you conceal it, you don't blend, right? So you just do it. Topok-topok yang mana you have acne spots or whatsoever, right? So after that you blend it. Okay, you blend dengan blender. You blend it evenly. Okay, I'm very quite sure lah. Most of you know how to make up. This is just a simple makeup for going to work, actually. So for those who want simple, okay, my makeup is also simple when going to work. This is how I make up going to work. Okay, I just blend it. And what I'm going to use today is actually this. I'm sure you've been watching this. You've seen this. It's a very nice packaging, and this is my first time using this also. Let me see. This is number 1. Okay, from what I know, those who have natural skin, you can use number 1. They only have this in 2 colors. One is number 1 is actually for natural skin, for those who have brown skin tone, and number 2 those who have yellow skin tone. That means siapa yang lebih putih lah. So you boleh pakai number 2. Tapi number 1 untuk skin yang macam kita natural So okay, what I'm going to do, I will just tengok tu. Okay, the texture it's like a foundation, tapi very with a sponge and it's very soft. Okay, you tekan aja, it come up with the color. Okay, you can blend this. Okay, you can blend with. You can blend evenly. Okay, this is why I say naturally. It covers naturally, you see, and it gives glow to your skin. You see? You could just tap. Tap. Nampak tak dia dah glow? I love this one. See? Glossy. It glows naturally. If you don't want to use loose powder also, it's okay. After a while, after they oxidize, it will blend well to your skin. Okay? Then, after that, you pakai loose powder. Okay, your loose powder. Normally, kakak just dab. Kakak tak suka nampak berminyak sangat. So, I just dab and okay. That's okay. once you all the blend, okay, for work I will only pakai just one tone of eyeshadow. Sheena tak suka banyak, okay, unless we go for dinner or whatsoever. Heavy makeup is different, okay. Tapi kalau okay, my makeup ringkas saja. Sheena suka pakai jari, okay. I always like to use my finger, okay, my fingertip to do my. Can you see your eyelid? Okay, this is one way. Kalau misal kata you tak tahu nak blend, how you want to blend you punya eyeshadow. I'm using Huda, and then I'm using the green base, okay, because when the very light green base, because when I put dekat or you can use blue or whichever color, okay, just a light tone, okay, then it's so dark, and we do it this way. Only dekat you punya eyelid, only your eyelid, okay, dekat your whole eyelid, and that's it. It looks nice, it will turn out nice. After that you blend with your brush, okay, it will look naturally. Because kalau kita nak pergi kerja tak payahlah nak heavy sangat kan. And also, okay, you kalau nak ikut kat Sheena, you ikut lah. Aku ni makeup pun bukan follow the rules punya. So whichever I see first, okay. Because mine is ringkas. Kalau you nak ringkas, you can follow my step. Eyeshadow, eyebrow, and next will be eyeliner. Okay. The eyeliner also I like it natural. Okay, for the Mezze powder, for this one, for Mezze powder ni, foundation, you can get. Actually, if you like, you can get from here. Now I'm having a promotion. Normally $29, but sekarang is only $18. Tapi kalau you beli dua, you get $30. So you can get it. See, I like the foundation. It's very smooth and light. So, I tak rasa macam dia macam berbelah ataupun dia too thick. Okay, you can get it from my shop dekat PKC. Tanjong Katong Complex 0318. Okay, you can get it here. Okay, sekarang I'm having promotion. Tak banyak. We only have 50, right? Yeah, 50 boxes. So siapa nak, you can come ataupun you can call me to reserve. I'll put a light lipstick. Okay, normally I will just mix my lipstick. I like to mix my lipstick because why? Because it gives to tone down the color. Jadi normally I'll just this is what I'm using is MAC. Actually macam lipstick lah. I also cannot really. Okay, this foundation is actually full of plant essence. It mixed with avocado, rhodiola, and ginseng. So the ingredients are more natural, and it covers dark circles, pimple and spots, events, and brighten skin tone. Spots, events, and brighten skin tone. Invisible pores, firming the skin, leaving the skin smooth and elastic. Dan banyak dia punya function. Okay, this is actually a BB cream, has a moisturizing function that helps the skin lock in moisture, prevents moisture loss, and keeps the skin supple. Isolation of the external environment from damage. Protect and care for the tender skin. Effectively improve uneven skin tone, make makeup more natural and delicate.